The arithmetic mean of two numbers is 7 and their geometric mean is 5. What is the sum of the squares of two numbers? So we assume that the numbers are a and b. So let the numbers be a and b. So the mean of the numbers would be a plus b out of 2, and that is 7. So a plus b equals 14, and therefore a is 14 minus b, and this we can use in the second part where the geometric mean equals square root of ab, and that equals 5. So we can write this as substituting the value of a. So 14 minus b times b equals 5. Squaring both sides, you would get 14 minus b times b is 25 without the square root, the square of it. So that would give you 14b minus b square is 25, and therefore I'll use the implied sign, or therefore, whichever you like. So that would imply that you can write it in a different way as b square minus 14b plus 25 equals 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where x equals minus b plus minus and square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The b here and the b here is not to be confused, because the b here is a constant, the b in the other case is a variable, just like x should be. So here this would be the solution. So we can apply that here, and then we can say that therefore b would equal minus b, so minus of minus 14 and plus minus square root of b square, so that is in this case is minus 14 whole square and minus 4 times 1 times 25, and the whole thing is divided by 2. So then therefore b equals 14 plus minus square root of 196 minus 100 divided by 2, and that would equal 14 plus minus square root of 96 divided by 2. Now square root of 96 we can write as square root of 16 times 6, and that would equal square root of 4 root 6, bringing 16 outside the root. So then we can write this as 14 plus minus 4 root 6, the whole thing divided by 2. That would be 7 plus minus 2 root 6. So you see, we can write b as either 7 plus 2 root 6 or 7 minus 2 root 6. So if b equals 7 plus 2 root 6, then a would equal 14 minus 7 plus 2 root 6, and that equals 14 minus 7 minus 2 root 6. 7 minus 2 root 6. So that is a. So it doesn't really matter. If you had b as 7 minus 2 root 6, you would get a as 7 plus 2 root 6. We can check it out. So if b is 7 minus 2 root 6, then we get a equals 14 minus 7 minus 2 root 6. That would give you 14 minus 7 plus 2 root 6, and that is 7 plus 2 root 6. and that is A. So it depends on what value of B you take, but whatever it is, because they're asking us the sum of the squares of the two numbers, so it doesn't really matter. They're not interested in what A value of A or B you've taken. So what we do is, not to be confused with this part, it's separate. So if we take the sum of the squares of the two numbers, of the squares of the two numbers, we get, so the numbers are, finally, let's stick with this, a equals 7 plus 2 root 6 and b equals 7 minus 2 root 6. So therefore we get squares, so 7 plus 2 root 6 whole square plus 7 minus 2 root 6 whole square, and that equals 49, squaring them, plus 2 times 2, 4 root 6, plus square of this, that is 4 times 6, 24, and plus, you can write same thing, 49 minus, with the minus sign now, 4 root 6 plus 24, and that would give you, the 4 root 6 would cancel out, and 49 plus 49 plus 24 plus 24, if you do, you will get 146, and that is the answer.